is yes, awesome and friendly, yeah. And that one is sitting right next to you, like there. You know, so this is so nice. So I think as parents, you all would want to.
Rabbits are the species are very calm going and it doesn't harm people.
Will correct.
It's not that scary, so people
Can.
spend time and they also like to spend time with the people, right?
True. That is right. Oh, see, Mommy ka Raja, you be there, Raja. See, that's the. Oh, look at that! It climbed your lap, yeah. Oh. My God. See, man, see. Actually, get that white one, na the. Yeah, because yes. Correct. No, that's what as a. Hello, see it's sitting with that white one because it's very sweet only, but hello.